Apartment fire on tack 6. Apartment fire on tack 6. Engine 24, engine 14, engine 30, engine 17. Rescue ladder 14. Fire rescue 31, rescue 8, 606, 604, 721. Respond on apartment fire. 2221 North Meridian. 2221 North Meridian. Map number 4044. Timeout 2057.
606 to dispatch. I'm clear on my companies and ready for updates.
606, this will be apartment 107 and 108. There's people in 107 that are trapped and cannot get out.
606 to dispatch. I'm clear on my companies and ready for updates.
Dispatch 606, we received one call on this. Advise this is going to be apartment 108 and 107. Possibly going to be a person in 107. Advise they could not get out of their apartment due to the heavy smoke. People are still in apartment 107.
606 is clear. Food on the stove, apartment 107. Occupants possibly trapped, heavy smoke. 606 is clear, engine 31, self-assigning.
Ladder 3606, we're self-assigned.
Clear ladder 30 on self-assign.
Engine 24 is on scene. I'm going to be setting up Meridian Command. All companies go to level 1. I have confirmation from this occupant that this fire is out. This is going to be on the 2nd Division of the Bravo side of this building. Engine 24 is going to be stretching the line to the apartment to confirm that the fire is out.
Engine 17, level 1.
Engine 24 to command. We will have some people with smoke inhalation on the IMSA.
Command is clear. Command to engine 17, I want you to liaison with the IMSA unit on scene. Come to the command post. It's located on the south side. And prepare to deliver patient care. Command to dispatch. Assign an additional IMSA unit to this incident.
Dispatch is clear on 2 IMSA units.
Engine 17, clear on patient care.
Charlie Division, command on our way back. On the back of engine 24, you have one patient with smoke inhalation, and he's going to require, as soon as he picks the pass out.
Command is clear. Thank you, Charlie Division. Engine 17, you will be in charge of the medical group. You will have 3 IMSA units answering to you. Were you clear? I have a patient on the south side of the structure on the back of engine 24 awaiting ALS care.
Engine 17, clear. Patient on back of engine 24. Engine 17 in charge of EMS group.
Rescue 8 on scene. Engine 31, level 1. Engine 31, I want you to come in and assist the fire attack division. You'll be answering the engine 24's officer. Engine 24, you'll have engine 31 reporting to you. Rescue 8, come on into the scene. You will be the red team. Engine 31's clear on assisting fire attack. Rescue 8's clear on red. This is on the back of engine 24. Engine 24 is clear on 31 and 14. Light Rescue 31, I want you to come in the scene. You'll be assisting Engine 17. Engine 17 is in charge of the medical group. Engine 17's officer, you'll now have Light Rescue 31 as well as DMC units that are riding on scene. Command to 604's DAA. You will be my safety officer on this incident. 604 DAA, clear on safety officer.
Charlie Division to command. You're all clear on the Charlie Division of the building. The extension. The fire room is actually going to be on the Delta side on the second floor.
Command's clear, fire room, Delta side, second floor. Command to Fire Attack Division Supervisor, Engine 24's officer. Were you clear on that transmission from the Charlie Division?
That's affirmative. Engine 24, named Alpha side of the building, facing radio. I understand there's going to be parking on the side. Second division.
Command is clear. Command to dispatch.
Go ahead, command.
Command to dispatch, I will need OCTD on scene for scene and traffic control.
Contact the command. Ceiling temperature in kitchen 140 and coming down. We're performing salvage operations now.
Command is clear, ceiling temperature 140 and coming down. Command to Fire Attack Division. Are we clear that the fire has been extinguished and now we're simply checking for extension?
That's affirmative, command. Checking for extension.
Repeat your last transmission.
Command, that's affirmative. Checking for extension. Fire out.
Command is clear, fire is out, checking for extension. Command to Charlie Division Supervisor. Can you give me an update from your position?
Charlie Division command. Charlie Division to command.
Go ahead with your update, Charlie.
Charlie Division command. We're going to leave some occupants on the bottom floor on the Charlie side. There's some families that we're going to leave there. We don't have no sign of smoke. So we got 3 that we're going to leave in place.
Command is clear, leaving 3 occupants in place, Charlie side, bottom floor.
That's affirmative. The corner apartment on the CD corner is going to, they came out.
Command is clear, and to ensure we're on the same page, I'm calling the Alpha side of the structure the south side. Are you calling the Charlie side the north side?
Affirmative.
Clear. Commander Charlie, when you get time with your task, will you check the fire department and get them another set of eyes from the exterior, please?
Clear. Evacuation group command. Charlie Division is clear. The Delta exposure, second floor where the fire is all clear. Evacuated.
Command is clear on evacuation complete. Will you assess ventilation needs? They were asking for a fan at one point. Clear 31s is bringing you a fan, no extension, fire out.
Ladder 30 to the level 1.
Command's clear, ladder 30. Stay in level 1 for now, please.
Ladder 30 is clear at level 1. Dispatch to command.
The dispatch, go ahead.
Command, where were you needing PD on this thing?
Have the PD unit stay just to the east of the apartment and adjacent to the apartment for now.
Dispatch is clear.
Command to Charlie Division, go ahead. Charlie Division Command, they do have this fire knocked down. We're going to spray a little bit more water, and if they got the fan going, it's going to clear the apartment out better, but this fire is out. Command is clear on fires out, Charlie Division. Command to Rescue Ladder 30. You can return to service. Command to Rescue 8. You can return to service.
The power keeps you feeling.